Welcome to this video on the powers of the governor, focusing on state assembly formation, constitutional mandates, and discretionary actions, particularly in West Bengal. Under Article 153, the governor is the constitutional head of state, acting as the formal head of the state executive and a crucial bridge between the union and the state. The governor's role is to ensure the constitutional machinery remains intact. The governor appoints the chief minister under Article 164(1), selecting the majority leader. Ministers hold office during the governor's at pleasure, which is regulated by democratic norms. The governor also administers the oath of office. The governor's role is paramount in the formation process, guiding the transition from election results to a functioning assembly. In West Bengal, this includes summoning newly elected members and facilitating the selection of the speaker. If a chief minister loses majority but refuses to resign, it creates a constitutional crisis. The House, not the Raj Bhavan, determines the majority, but the governor must ensure the state does not stay in limbo. The magic number in West Bengal is 148. The governor has situational discretion, including the power to dismiss the Council of Ministers under Article 164 if the chief minister refuses a floor test or loses a vote of confidence. The governor can also fix the date for a floor test. The S.R. Bomai versus Union of India precedent established that a government's majority must be tested only on the floor of the House. This prevents the governor from acting on subjective satisfaction to arbitrarily dismiss elected governments. In the West Bengal context, the Raj Bhavan Kolkata is a nerve center for constitutional decisions, often characterized by friction between the state executive and the governor. Key powers include a dissolution of the assembly under Article 174(2)(b). If no party can form a stable government, the governor may resort to extreme measures, recommending president's rule under Article 356, signifying a breakdown of the constitutional machinery. The governor's legislative functions include summoning the House every 6 months, proroguing sessions without dissolving them, and dissolving the assembly for new elections. They also give a special address to the first session of the year and after elections. Here is a summary of the key constitutional articles, outlining the powers and provisions related to the governor's role, from aid and advice to the imposition of president's rule. Thank you for watching this video. We have analyzed the powers of the governor and their vital role in ensuring the sanctity of the democratic mandate in West Bengal. These are the image sources used throughout this video.